Ni ndereti ya muigana wa ngombo cia bururi iria yarahuritwo hindi ya gikaro gia kamiti ya mwanya bunge-ini igie ngombo cia bururi. Muthurimi wa MBAJETI MARGARET NYAKANG'O akionania kwaga kuiganira na muhuthirire wa ngombo ici. Kuringana na NYAKANG'O na thengi ya bururi kwiyumbirira ngombo cia tiririoni cia mbeca, kigina giki gitikoretwo gikihuthika uria kwagiriire. Riu wabici ino ikiendekithia uthurimi wa mathabu mothe ma ngombo cia bururi.
What my office is recommending is that we seriously audit these loans and the projects that they support to ascertain the effectiveness of the loan. We are aware there are very large payments coming up and they are going to strain the government a lot.
Kiria kirekirirwo nganja ni utheri wa uhuthiri wa kigina giki undu umwe na muigana wa njoherera iria irihagio ngombo ici. Riu wabici ino igithoma gukungio wara hari murihi wa magoti. Kiuria kinene ari guthiaga atia bururi ukienderera ngombo cia goro o riria mari na uhoti wa gucagura ngombo cia raithi.
Our analysis has revealed that the average interest paid on concessional loans has averaged 14.5%. We don't have money to put in the sinking fund, so we must continue taking the overdraft, and so we continue running short. It's simply a merry-go-round.
Ningi NYAKANG'O no agwetete ugwati munene wa njoherera ici iri ikorireire hari mathire maya. Riu akiuga njoherera ici ikirie gukinya ciringi bilioni 800 gukinyiria muthia wa mwaka turi wa kigina.
The twin tragedy of the rising interest rates and the steep depreciation of the shilling is increasing our debt servicing burden to unmanageable levels. In January, we used 98.7% of all the revenue we collected on debt servicing. That means that our salaries or whatever other spending we were doing was on borrowed money.
And if you said 98% of our money we're using it to pay debt, then which means clearly there must be borrowing to utilize Article 223. So what is your take on that, and how do you think we can address that issue?
Thirikari no emurikitwo ni itangi mukiruku wa kigina kiayo. Riu NYAKANG'O akiuga na thengi ya kuongerereka kwa magoti gutiri undu ungicenjia hari mikarire ya Kenya, kuna maingi ma magoti maya maroragio uhuthiri-ini utari kihariro wa mafitha thirikari mutugo uria uregeire wabici-ini ciothe.
I think there is a disconnect between Treasury and the implementing agencies. So we need to find out why and how we can correct that.
Development spending on both national and county governments will be hard hit, and we've already seen this in the recent past. Eventually, essential expenditures such as salaries will also be adversely affected.
And the country is borrowing more, and also borrowing the same money that it was given to the same bank. And this is an area which really as Parliament we have to look at.
Gukinyeria umuthe muigana wa ngombo cia bururi rugamire ciringi tiririoni 11 giki ari gicunjĩ kia 68.3 hari igana kia utonga wothe wa bururi.
Spending a lot of the time is on non-essentials, leaving out impactful development expenditures. That must improve.
Hadini ya Kameme TV letora kwenye Bataru wa Mwage.